You comment, share, like, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell somebody. Tell your baby mama. You know she still love you. She love you. She love you, sure. Guess you do. I bet you tell her to subscribe. She'll do it.
Ooh, this is me. This is who I am.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl K.Simone, and we back in the kitchen. Chef curry on them. Chef curry on them. Chef curry on them. Back with broke bougie snacks on today's episode tray. We got broke bougie nachos. So make sure you stay tuned. Watch the video. I'm gonna show you how I make these a little spicy caliente. Ooh, yeah. Make sure you thumbs up the live. This ain't a live. Sorry, y'all. I just got off live. And if you watched my live earlier, I'm trying to still cleanse my soul. So stay tuned to the video, guys. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs it up, thumbs it down. Do what you gotta do. But just make sure you do it and watch to the end. Let's get to cooking. All right, guys, so this is all the ingredients I'll be using today, but just stay with me and I'll take you step by step. All right, so I chopped up half of my onion, a little bit, well, I ain't a little bit, jalapeno pepper in the middle, and then a little bit of green pepper to put inside of my meat. All right, so I already put my turkey meat in here. And if you are vegan or vegetarian, you can use the Beyond Beef crumbles because they are amazing for this recipe. So we're gonna, and this is not gonna take that long, guys. As you can see, it doesn't have that much fat because turkey does not render off a lot of fat. Ooh. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide. Sorry, these peppers are a little hot. My veggies in, so they can be nice and tender. Like I said, y'all, this recipe is gonna be spicy because I love spicy. I really do love Mr. Spicy. So you just incorporating your onions, your bell pepper, that smells so good, and your jalapeno pepper. And then once you cook the jalapeno pepper in here, it's not gonna be as spicy to me when you cook it versus when you're eating it fresh. So yes, there you go. All right, y'all, for our cheese, I'm just gonna use me some good old Campbell's Fiesta nacho cheese. And it's not required to put milk in it, but I may put a little bit in there just to make it a little bit more creamy. We'll see how it actually does once I start cooking it, because I've never actually tried it, so we'll see. And this is seeming to be cooking pretty quickly. So the next step is we'll go ahead and put it on our taco seasoning. Let it simmer while our cheese is heating up, and we'll put together our broke bougie nachos. Yeah. So although you're only usually supposed to do 1 pack per pound, and this is a pound, I like to use 2 packs because I just love flavoring and seasoning. So I definitely use 2. All right, so we're just gonna sprinkle that right on the top like that. Don't ask me while I'm singing. Oh, that smells so good, y'all. That smells so good. I swear, I think the most editing that I do is when I do cooking stuff. And then we just gonna stir that in like that. Keep stirring until it's fully incorporated. I might have to add a little bit of water to get this. Nope, I think we're good. All right, so that is fully incorporated well, and I did put a little bit of water in there just so that that it can mix well, and I only put probably about a fourth of a cup of water. And then our cheese, I don't think we're gonna need any milk, but as you can see, it's thinning up pretty good. So we'll let it keep cooking and we'll see. All right, so let's get to cutting up our extra onions, because I love me some onions, y'all. And we'll be back to start putting this together. I'm so excited. All right, our onions are chopped. Ding, 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 ding. Our sauce is nice and thin and bubbly. And then our meat, the onions are nice and translucent. The green peppers are nice and tender. So let's start putting it together. I am using flaming hot Doritos. Like I told you, I like it spicy. I like it spicy. So we're gonna put our Doritos on our serving plate first and start layering everything on, baby. Doritos, like y'all, I'm sorry, I don't like lettuce and tomato. I'm sorry, I don't. So we're gonna add a little onion. Now we're gonna add some of this beautiful taco meat. Just right on there. You can add as much as you like. Like I said, you don't have to do my recipe. You can add what you like. I'm sure some of y'all like tomato. Some of y'all like lettuce. I just don't. So I'm be very generous with my meat. Very, very generous. All right, now for the beautiful liquid gold. Ooh. 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 So Taco Bell taco sauce. Like I said, I like it spicy. I like it spicy. Lastly, we're gonna do a dollop or two of our sour cream. Or three. I wish I had some cilantro. That's what I forgot. I could have a little bit more onion. A little bit more onion. Ooh, y'all see that? Look at that. 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 And there you have it, guys. Those are our broke bougie nachos. Now, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to eat a little bit with y'all. We're going to keep talking a little bit. Is that all right? Is that all right? That's all right, baby. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned to the mukbang that goes along with this how-to video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Throwback Thursday video edition. Peace.